It's like some people born for stagnant. It's like some people born for no move. Because them live from people name on a daily basis sick. I'm wondering to myself saying, that's why some of them life can't get better. Because all them do is invest them time in a people business, in a people life, and feed them life stuck and going down the drain. I'm saying to myself, why is Marcia finding so much time for Donna? And Donna, the America, get her first promotional job. And I make life. And I show the fool them how it's done. See me? Remember the people, them people even a phone dealing and talk about Donna, you know. I mean, I talk about Marcia, I talk about Marcia, Lorraine, and T-Girl. Them depend Donna name regular. Waste them time. Wait 5-6 years of them life when them could have a 5-6 business. See me? And see it now, Planka boss come to America and I work. Me hear Marcia upon her life say, show them I live in her car. And me I say, yo, you this big crusty workless woman. What you mean by that living in your car? Cause bills hard in America and all these things. Me I say, yo, come on. Then all you want in a talking with Donna? All you want in a talking with Donna? Are you over there with your big crusty self and waste time? When you want to live in your car, who does that? Only if you have ambition, you can't say you're a big deal I want to live in your car. Who does that? Big deal not live in a car. Big deal live in a hotel or motel or you know, or should I say big deal own hotel, motel and all kind of business. Have them own house or them own apartment. The Planka team must laugh for you and say you're full. So the Planka team must look and laugh for you. And that's why I'm telling you because stagnant drunker ya. You know see you make yourself look full now. You ever make people laugh for you one thing. Cause guess what? You was a stagnant. And you name stagnant boss. And you them call so that you new name for the rest of 2024. Stagnant boss MC, aka Iron Belly, aka Steel Belly, Kaka Eye. Come on now. Look at things now. You say why you live in your car. When you live in your car now, what is the benefit of that? What is the benefit of that? Or you benefit after that? Or you gain benefit after that? That me want to know. That is what me want to know one thing. Because at the rate how you move on thing, me know them for certain say you will stay the same way. You're not gonna move forward. Because guess what? You spend too much time and watch people and compare yourself with people. When you should be doing something different, more than compare and compete against people who you see in a better position than you. I remember now, I don't know you talk about the lady yard. I don't know. You've been doing this ages now. You see me? Are you getting the same result and nothing at all not gonna change about you? Because you, as me say, are you them called stagnant? Are you them say name no movement zone? Yeah. No movement zone. You're not moving nowhere at all and you're going to stay there forever because you spend too much energy and too much time focus on other people. When you go live in your car and one thing now, you don't think everybody going to laugh at you one thing. That's what I'm telling you, you know. She not no sense people. She not have no sense whatsoever. MC not have no sense. MC is just a load of dog doodle. That me I tell you say. No sense whatsoever, no ambition, no degree, nothing at all about her, no righted. Sometimes I wonder if that woman is mad. Sometimes I wonder if that woman is definitely getting psycho or something. The way she spend time on social media and I cuss out people and I talk about Donna, I say, yo, you'd have fine sitting do. You would not think you live in your car, come and know who does that. Down to the poorest man now living in a film car and things. So why you want living in your car, you call yourself big deal? Waste of time. Big waste of social media time. I want to come size up with the lady. I say, yo, only need our members, only people need to tell the truth. Them are pretend to laugh for them not tell the truth. Them not tell the truth. You see me? And if not for them platform other people tell them the truth and what them do, block them. Instant block same time. Instant block because you must not say nothing at all. All you need to do is just join the members only and that's it. You must not say nothing at all. I say that block straight. I say, yo, nobody know at all now. Nobody nowadays now have no opinion on social media regarding comment section. You have to know what you do. Moderator will block you. But this lady here, something just definitely wrong with she. She just have put herself in a situation where the more and more people are just hate her. People just see her and just laugh at her and say, no man, something wrong with you. Big old crusty back woman. They pass social media waste time. You notice more time I think she depend on her life she ever called Tina Chin name? Because guess something. She and Tina Chin are good friend. The two of them stagnant. The two of them ask them care. You see me? No, one bet Tina Chin go to a plan for live in her own car. That's your plan for you. Live in her own car just like what MC do. Because guess what? Them no have no ambition. Them just want to stay the same way and just carry on. I may say, yo, them people that think for change them ways one day. Them not think for be a different person. Them not think to be in the same kind of behavior pattern. What do you do to them? Me as I wanted to say, when them behave a particular way and them carry themselves a particular way, I say, them people don't realize say, yo, social media get to them head. See there? MC right now, I use DONNA meet and greet right now for make money. She use it for make money. Because she don't know better. She don't have no sense. See me? She don't have no sense and think. She talk about people make them own content. Me, she did a live and a cuss out some Jamaican people on TikTok. And I said them can't make content and thing. And I say, yo, she a go and say she show off and she can't make content. I say, people, I saw MC stay, man. She love show off. And them eyes say, show off bring disgrace. You see me? And today for me, tomorrow for you. But me tell the people, MC stagnant, you freak. She not got nowhere at all with for your behavior. Remember, people are watch her and people have problem with her. People have problem with her. Not anybody will come out and express themselves, but you have some people who don't like her, who she feel like they like her. You see me? But in life, man, you think you can't go pa, you can't in life you want to come deal people in here anyway. And feel like it must go. You see me? Because if Planka boss address you, she not address you now in a certain way. She just basically just call you out in a different way and then you take it personally and cuss up all your body and go on the most. I say, yo, I want to the radio. I want to this lady. This lady is a mad house or what? I tell the people, MC I get mad out, man. MC is a mad somebody walking in a clean clothes. See me? But God I gotta deal with three people. God I gotta deal with MC. I could go on see what I go on with her, yeah, man, people. I should go on cuss and go on the music on social media because she don't know if I gotta reach her. Because one thing I know for certain, don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble owner trouble you. See me? A whole heap of things she go on with on social media. I hope people she fight down and cuss the Jamaicans them because through to America, she cuss the Jamaican them and disgrace them and go on the most way. And she don't know say she make she live for America forever and nothing at all going to change. Me I say continue, think twice. See me? Your time will come. Remember me tell you that your time will come. So guys, based upon yourself, you know, that's about it, people. We'll leave it at the care right about now. So just stay focused on the game ahead. Like and share, rock and come in. You know the whole thing going, the whole mix up and drama. So just enjoy the rest of the night, people. You see me? And thanks for having me. I've been a joy to talking to you people. I come out of the car right about now, guys, so we chat to you soon.